Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have another Temu haul. This is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I hope that you'll be happy here. I have a few things that I just wanted to show you. Temu when you get shopping on Temu, you can find some really amazing deals. And it's hard not to shop once you find things. So I did find this. I didn't, a lot of these things are things I don't need, but they're so inexpensive. I just want to try them. So I need at work a new mouse pad. And I could get one at work, but this was $1.88. I still have it in the package because I'm just going to carry it that way to work. It's just real lightweight. I needed one with this little wrist guard, for my hand with the mouse. So $1.88. I thought that was a really great deal. So I got it. And these I got because I just need some help with my palettes. In my bathroom where I'm storing my palettes, I have a nice cabinet, and I have them lined up like this, but you take one out, you can't get one back in, so they're laying on top, and it's a disaster waiting to happen. So I got a couple of these. Now I may need, one is still wrapped up, I may need a third one, but I'm gonna have to see if a third one will fit the length of that shelf, because I'm thinking I'm not gonna have enough room for 3, but I'm gonna check it out. But this I thought was really nice. These are $2.98 a piece. They're acrylic, so you can use this for many variety of things. They do say for eyeshadow palettes, but you can line them up. And then if you wanted to do something in here where you can mark a tab to say what's there, a little sticker, you can do that. They're wide enough for maybe even 2 palettes, depending on what you have. Maybe not, but I'm hoping it's going to hold them nice and neat, hopefully, so that they won't come spilling out of the cabinet. That's my hope on there. So those were $2.98 a piece. Did I tell you? Yeah, I did tell you about the mouse pad. Okay, then I got some decorative kinds of things, just because I want to maybe change this up a little bit. I'm bad about doing that, y'all. So first of all, I got a few orders very close in time to each other. So I had already received a plaque, whatever you want to call this thing. And I'm not happy with these, because if you can see how small this is $1.98 for this one. It's super cute. I didn't open it yet. It says home. It says home sweet home, which I love that saying. There's a wreath in the O. Of course, they have a sticker right there. I haven't opened it yet because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. See, it's very small. So back there, I don't even know if you'll be able to see it. See what I mean? And my fault for not looking at dimensions, but I didn't. This came with a string and a couple of holes. You can tie the string in there. I do have a couple like this, different sayings or whatever. But so I'm not going to open that one. I may put it in a giveaway, just an extra added thing, because somebody else may enjoy having it. So we'll see. But this I thought was really cute. They had several of this style. This is called a Bohemian style floating shelf. And this was $4.58. And it was very nicely wrapped. It was in bubble wrap and everything. Okay, so this is where you can hang it from, which is nice. I'd love to put some shelving back there, but I haven't been able to do it. I had someone come in and try to put some shelving in that wall. And this is an old house, and the plaster, it just didn't do well. Couldn't get any anchors in, and it made a mess of the wall. So I thought something like this might be able to hang off of one of those command strip hooks or a nail that's already in the wall. And I just got to try. $4.58. It's just one shelf. They had several different styles. They have some with 2 or 3 shelves to it. They have some in darker colors, lighter colors. Some with fringe. Some have real pretty fringe, like macrame fringe hanging off of it and stuff like that. So I thought I might try it. I don't know if I'll like it. I don't know if the boys will bother it and knock it down. But I thought I could put a couple cute little things on here, back there somewhere. Maybe. We will see. We'll see how it works. Okay. And then also for back there, I got this. And a little disappointed in this. This was $4.49. It's called a one-piece retro metal tin sign. I think it's beautiful. It has 2 holes in it up here. It has 2 holes in it down here. Not sure why there's holes down there. But it's a little bent because of the way they packaged it. The packaging, I don't know if, you know, it comes from China, the packages. So they are just like, they take plastic and put it around everything and tape like crazy. So I don't know if it's because it's going through customs and being opened and then being taped all crazy, but you'll get any sort of a lump, any sort of a shaped lump. And this was on the bottom, so it got dented. As you can see, you know, I can sort of push it back to place. And of course, when it's on the wall, nobody's gonna see it. But this did not come with any string. So I'll have to find me some string for it. Okay, Smudge, he's back behind the camera pushing on it. So, okay, it didn't bother it too bad. And this was absolutely the cutest thing. I'm gonna have to do some fluffing. This is a 15-piece interchangeable wreath, and this was $12.49, and I thought it was super cute. They have several like this as well. There are some that are whitewashed, and some, you know, there's dark ones, there's light ones, there's black ones with writing on it, different writing. This one says, "Welcome to our home." This I thought would go on the white door. Smudge chewing on the plastic. So, whoops, we'll see how that hangs. I do have to fluff up the greenery on here, but it has that cute little black and white checked bow I thought was cute. And now right here for the O, this particular one, this is good heavy wood. This isn't, I mean, it's probably like a press board, but some of the press board products are flimsy. This is good and heavy. And this was already put together. I don't have to worry about putting it together, which is nice. I just have to fluff up the greenery. This particular one came with 15 interchangeable things. There's a butterfly, a maple leaf, a shamrock for St. Patrick's Day. We've got a snowman for holiday time, and there's also a snowflake and a Christmas tree. There's a basketball, an Easter egg, an Easter bunny, a heart for Valentine's Day, a pumpkin for fall and Halloween. Let's see, what's this? Well, I can't pick it up. It looks like, oh, took me a minute. I thought it was a cornucopia. I think it's a little elf dude, isn't it? A little elf dude with his hat looks like a honeybee top. Yeah, it's a gnome. That's what you call them. I'm sorry, a gnome. A little gnome. And a cute sunshine flower, a nice pink flower, and a daisy. So they all have a little tiny magnet on the back, and you just put that on, and then your O is filled in with whatever the holiday thing is. And like I said, they had different ones. Oops, oh, I dropped the pumpkin. It's very tiny. You got to get it just right or it's gonna fall. All right, let's try this one. They all work because I tried them already, but you just have to, you can't put it too low. I'm just clumsy. You know me, you all know me. Hopefully I can find that. Isn't that cute? I thought that was cute. And we'll see if I can get it up there somewhere. It's super cute. So I will, there. Isn't that cute, y'all? I thought that was worth the $12.49. When I first saw the packaging, I thought, oh, that's so tiny. But because they show it on a door, but you know, it's a decent size, you know, so. And like I said, I just have to fluff up this greenery and and the bow a little bit, and I think it'll be fine. So I thought that was adorable. And I have more to show you. Just one other thing here. Oh, here. I want to show you this because when you go in and shop, there's going to be some things that you're going to find that are super cheap. When you're putting stuff in your basket. So I have a bunch of sponges. I've already bought a bunch of sponges from them. These are scrubby on one side, and then they're, you know, spongy on the other side. Nice thick sponge. And this was 18 cents. So I'm like, 18 cents for 5 sponges, I'll take it. Yeah, I thought that was well worth it. And then the last thing I have to show you is, let me see what it's called. I don't even know. Okay, well, I don't have the whole email, didn't print. This says that there's 96 pieces. These are little putty, maybe putty, I'm not quite sure what you call it. This comes in different colors also. So you take a square, and it helps you to, when you have something hanging, if it moves around, like my house, you know, with a train nearby and everything, sometimes pictures will go off center. If I put this just on the frame, you know, on the corners of the frame, and push it to the wall, it peels off the wall nice, won't damage the wall, but it keeps the picture in place. So that's what I got this for. I've had this kind of thing before. There's something that you can buy at the hardware store here in the States that's blue in color. So this I thought was nice, but it did get a little smashed, but I think it'll still work. So, but I'm going to keep it in this, I'm going to put it in a Ziploc. Actually, let me take it out of here because I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag to keep it from drying out, because it's like clay. In fact, maybe it is clay. And like I said, they had different sizes and different colors. All right, it does have some plastic on it here. And then you just peel a square, and then stick it either on the frame of your picture or the wall, and then push the frame against it, and it'll keep it straight. So I needed some of that, so I saw it in there, so I thought I'll get it. So that's what I got for this haul. I have another haul, and then I have some clothing, and I think the clothing is going to end up being 2 different hauls, but I gotta, you know, that takes a little while to film that, so I've got to get that done. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got. And it's just a lot of fun. Now, I am not an affiliate for Temu, so if you want to, I have a code that they gave me when I first started with Temu. They did send me PR, and now what I've been showing you, except for like I think the first 3 videos or so were, maybe 4 were PR. Other than that, I've bought everything else. I can still use that code if you want to save money. It doesn't do anything for me, I don't think. It may show them that you're buying under me, I don't know, but I don't get anything for it. But you'll save 30% off your very first order. You can order on their website, and you can order on the app, and you can order same information, same name, independently like that, and still get 30% off each order. That's what I did the first time that I bought from the website. And then I got the app and I bought from that, and I used my code. I got 30% off each time. So this is my haul, my cute wreath with all these cute little magnets. I've got this very pretty metal sign, and I've got the mouse pad. I got these little sticker things. I got this shelving, which I think is just adorable. Could really fix up a room for very inexpensive. I got the 18-cent sponges. I got this sign that I'm not so crazy about. It's really cute. It's just so small. And I got these for my palettes. This is nice. This isn't going anywhere. These are lucite, and they'll be very good. They'll stay very good. They'll stay very good. I think that's what I showed you, right, y'all? Anyway, that's my Temu haul for today. Thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.